Hi, my beautiful people. I hope everyone is doing well. So, I'm here with my client. As you guys can see, she has a lot of hair. So beautiful. And for the most part, she actually wears an afro like this. And I just think it's gorgeous. So, we are gonna do a wash and style. She was afraid that her hair would tangle or I won't be able to handle her hair since she has a lot of hair. But I was able to manage it, and I told her to not worry. So I started off with rinsing it out, making sure that it is saturated all throughout, and apply conditioner on it so that I can detangle it first. I don't want to shampoo right away because you don't know how long it has been since she combed it out, or even just wearing it in an afro like that, she can have dead hair in there, that the hair that we usually lose on a daily basis. If you haven't touched your hair or comb it out, every day, so she will have dead hair in there. So I want to make sure that it is detangled before I shampoo it. And as you guys can see, I'm using my detangling brush, which I love. You can use it for wet hair or dry, and it works really good. And I always start from the ends to the roots, and it doesn't pull out the hair, and it's very easy to use. So putting conditioner on it, wetting it really good, detangling it, and if I feel any knots, like you guys can see right here, I'm always stopping with the brush and try to go through it with my fingers first, making sure that I'm not snatching or breaking her hair off with a brush. So you always want to stop. If you feel any knots or the brush is not going through, make sure you stop and look through the section that you are brushing. So after we detangle, I'm gonna go ahead and shampoo her hair. When I shampoo her hair, I will be mixing clarifying shampoo with a little bit of moisturizing shampoo so that it doesn't lock the hair on me. I still need that moisturizing shampoo to relax the hair from just drawing in or sticking together and tangling. So yeah, we'll shampoo her hair and move forward with conditioner again, and making sure that I didn't leave any knots or any tangles in there. And she enjoyed her shampoo. She enjoyed her detangling process. Usually she had a bad experience before, so I wanted to make sure that I was giving her, I wanted to make sure she was more comfortable, let's say, not worried that I will snatch her hair or I don't have patience. With thick hair, you want to make sure that you have patience and control the hair. Don't let the hair control you. Take parts, take it one section at a time. Don't let it overwhelm you. So, because this is the most important part of styling your hair is your shampoo. So you want to make sure the clients are enjoying their shampoo and they're not worried about tangles, or they're not uncomfortable from you detangling the hair. So once I finish, I am gonna go forward with shampoos like I explained earlier, and conditioner, and we move forward with blow drying her hair. And once I blow dried it, we are gonna style. So enjoy this part of the shampoo and all the steps, and then I'll explain to you once I start styling her hair. Enjoy until I get back on it. I hope you guys enjoyed the process so far. So right here, I'm done styling her hair, and I am about to show her what she needs trimmed, right? I can only recommend what needs to be taken off and what I suggest, but it's always up to a client and what they feel comfortable with taking off. Do I always agree? No, but it is their hair. They are on my chair, and I want them to trust me. I don't get scissor happy, but I do tell the client what I think and the truth. But it's always up to them. And as you guys can see, she was not comfortable with taking off what is actually needed. So, especially on one side of her hair. So I'll put numbers, and I want you guys to comment what she should have, taken off. What do you think was, the best for her? Or what would you have done? Yeah, I'm not, I wish you let me take a little bit more off. I don't want you guys to be scared of a trim. You should get your hair trimmed every 8 to 10 weeks. And trim is most of like dusting it off. It's not a haircut. So don't wait too long to get a trim, then you end up getting a haircut. In her case, she did wait a little too long, and she doesn't want to take off what needed to be taken off. Hopefully, eventually she will, but right now that's not where she is mentally. So, the rest of the video will style her hair, and you will see the ending result. I'm still happy with the results and how it came out, and I hope you are too. And thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you guys. I'm trying to post consistently like I used to. So comment below, letting me know what you guys want to see, and I'll try my best to do so. Appreciate you all. Love you.